everyone.
Hello everyone. Today,
Hi guys! Gagawa kami ng vlog ni Adi.
this is my picture of a rainbow. It's so cute.
Yung rainbow don't have color.
Yes, I always forgot.
Always forgot.
Look at you.
I do not... sige. Ngayon, gagawa kami ng vlog and napaka low budget tong ano namin kasi wala kaming marker. And ang ginawa lang namin is what is this? What did I use? Do not ba? Kasi maano ang cellphone. Ano nga to yung ginamit ko?
Crayon.
Crayon, yeah. Because we don't have marker.
Because
Kasi inubos mo.
because the ink is already disappearing.
Disappearing. Oh. Ngayon, meron kaming Adi and Tita. So, gagawa kami ng mga question ng who most likely. Basta, pag kapuya, mag-Tagalog ko, Bisaya, ang tabi. Ay, you don't understand naman, no?
Ano?
Yeah. We have question and then kung sino yung mas pinaka siya yung ipapakita namin. Okay. Question number 1. Ay!
Question number
Who is
Maganda.
maganda?
Yeah.
Who is maganda? Tita or Adi? Adi. Show.
Adi and Tita.
Both? O sige, both na lang din sa akin. Adi and Tita.
Adi and Tita.
Okay. Then, who is cute? Adi or Tita?
Tita.
Oh, really? I think you're cute more than me.
No, you cute.
Cuter. Okay. Who is stubborn? Show them. Adi, o diba? Aminado ka naman, girl, no? You're so honest. I like that. Who is strict? Adi or Tita? You're strict? I don't think so. Tita.
Okay. I don't know what to do that.
Oh, Tita. Tita is more strict. I will turn off the na lang because lumilipad. Or ganyan na lang. Slowly na. Slowly. And then, who is noisy? Adi. Who is makulit?
Who is beautiful?
We did na yan eh.
Ah, okay.
Maganda and beautiful. Who is
Sick.
who is sick today? Adi. I'm not sick, hello. I'm so healthy, dude. Who drink more soda than who drink more soda? Excuse you. It's Adi. That's why you sick.
No, it's Tita also.
May I drink only little. Not always. You always. Juice. No.
Also Tita, Tita.
You're lying. Do not lie ba? This is an honest play.
What?
Honest game.
Honest.
Oh. Who love drink juice? Adi. Who
Hey!
is, love to clean? Adi or Tita? Who love to clean?
No,
do not.
no one.
No one, hello, excuse you.
No.
I clean. Adi. Ay. You clean? Do you clean? Tita, bala ka dyan. You're lying. Who is messy? Of course, Adi. Excuse you. Of course, Adi. Adi is...
It's also
Hmm. Who loves TikTok? Adi or Tita? You love TikTok? Do you love TikTok?
Yes, it possibly Adi also.
Adi also. But who love games? Oh, who love to play games? Sige. Ay, Adi naman. Be honest.
Don't cheat!
You're the one who cheat. It's Adi. You always play in the tablet. Low, excuse you. I'm not playing Mobile Legends anymore.
Just kill.
Oh, who play... Ano nga yung pinaplay mo? Oh, who play...
Mobile Legends.
Oh, sige, who play Mobile Legends? Yeah,
Both of them.
both. Pero, me, I don't play anymore na. I stop na. Only sometimes. Adi also only sometimes. She knows kasi. But only little.
I just take a shot, you know. just take
Because you're sick, that's why the doctor give you a shot.
Yes, and it's
Oh, and then who play more? Who play Minecraft?
Adi Camila Saisiin.
Yeah, because you always play.
Who play Roblox?
Yeah, also Adi. Because Tita don't know how to play that.
That's because you're not using your brain.
I'm not using my brain?
Yeah.
Excuse you. Okay. Who love to sing? Adi or Tita?
Hey, excuse me.
Yan ang sing, di ba? Oh, maybe this time you give them sample. Maybe. Ay,
Stop. Dabi dabi dabi. Dabi dabi they cut me more than just when she's rocking this.
not singing.
Hey, dream so like
Maybe this time.
love of
Bian? Adi, you're not being honest, Adi. Who love to sing? Adi or Tita? Both.
Excuse me?
You sing also. Hello.
Okay, fine.
So, you're lying talaga.
Okay, fine.
Oh. Who love to dance? Adi, Tita? Both.
Because I just dance up and up.
Yeah, you also know how to dance, right?
Yes, and also I know how to dance the new one. This is what I created. This is my dad.
You're like a zombie dude. Stop it.
Stop
Mm.
it.
What else?
Who loves to go to school?
Who loves to go to school?
Oh, yes.
Oh, also Tita. But Tita is finish school na kasi si
Hey,
Tita.
yo, hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Oh, so now, Adi.
Yo, hey, yo, hey, yo.
You love going to school? I don't think so.
Because I can eat food and play video games.
You can play video games here.
No.
What else? What else? Adi, you asked.
Play basketball.
Who play basketball? Who play basketball?
Ball! Last night you played basketball. Last night you get the ball, the new ball.
Yeah, but it was just last night. Ikaw
Yes.
always. You and Papa. Ikaw pa, do not like ba?
Okay, fine.
Adi.
It's
You and Papa always play outside. Me just last night. Low.
Hello.
Oh, who loves Who loves to eat chicken? Adi or tita? Yeah, Adi. Adi, kasi...
So I can become.
Oh, see, she's...
So I can become a chicken so I can fly to the moon.
Hmm? So you become a chicken and you fly to the moon? No, chicken cannot fly in the moon.
Yes, they can.
Kada uwi niya, puro chicken.
Yes. I love chicken.
What else?
Who loves to use the TV? TV.
Who loves to use the TV?
Yes. To watch the TV.
Oh, who? Yeah.
That's because you watch movies and then I also.
Yeah, you also watch when your tablet is low bat. That's why. But if it's not, tita watch movie.
Yes.
And, ano pa ba?
Who comb the hair? I mean, who play outside?
Who play outside? Oh, obviously. Obviously, no, I play outside. Did I play outside?
Yes.
When?
You are a kid.
That was before, now. That was before, now is you.
I'm sure.
Sinong matatampal ko today? Adi, I will slap you today. Because you're not being honest.
And
Oh, who is always hungry? Obviously, Adi. And sometimes, only sometimes, I love to eat.
sometimes you don't like to eat.
Who loves? Who loves to take a bath with hot water? Adi.
And
Excuse you?
okay.
It's Adi.
Who
Yeah.
loves
Kahit hindi naman ganun, even if the water is not that so cold.
who loves to drink cold water?
Oh, wala so, yeah. It's me. You love cold water?
Yes.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay.
I always love to drink the bathroom shower. Who is hot or cold?
Who is hot or cold?
Who's hot?
Do you know what is hot?
You're hot.
Shut up, dude. I'm not hot. Ano pa ba? Who loves to go to the mall?
I love.
Adi.
That's because I want to see if there's a playground there or not.
Because you're playing in the, playground.
Yes, that's because
Tita is big na kasi, that's why.
you can still play in the playground.
Hello? Oh, minsan nangungulit yun siya kay nanay. Kasi yung school niya malapit lang sa sa mall. Kaya after class, right? Sometimes you go to the mall. You ask Lola.
It's the stadium.
Yeah. Stadium is a mall.
Yes, there's a playground there, so I like to go to the stadium, I like it.
Oh, ano pa ba?
Do not scare me this time.
That's scaring you. What else? Who is overreacting? Adi.
And Tita.
Excuse me. It's Adi. Oh, who is Maarte? Maarte. Tito. Ay, Tita Adi. It's Maarte, dude. Because you choose your own clothes na. You want fashion na.
Yeah.
Sometimes you want to put makeup on your face. You go to my room and then ask my makeup. Yeah.
So I can make you happy.
It will make me happy. Excuse you. So it's Adi. It's Adi Maarte.
And that's it. Always love.
So guys, I think we're done. We have no more questions anymore.
Bye. See you tomorrow in Sunday.
So if you want, kung meron kayong gusto ipagawa sa amin, just comment down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And also read these comments down below.
Comments down below. Oh, what's your real name nga?
Comments down below who is the best. Me or Tita?
Comment down below is the best. Okay, see you next vlog. Are we gonna do another vlog?
Yes.
You want?
Yes.
Oh, we will try. Sige, bye for now.
I do another vlog.